The time has come and I'm packing for my trip to Netherlands, Amsterdam, where will be my workshop for 5 days. And on this trip, I'm going solo and I need to drive 19 hours. I will take breaks, but tomorrow, about the same time, even maybe more, I will be in Amsterdam. So now we have 75,867 kilometers and we'll see how much will be at the end. Before hitting the road towards Netherlands, I have my last errands in my capital, Riga. Looks like warm weather is finally setting in. In few kilometers, I'm crossing the border of my country, Latvia, and entering Lithuania, which is our neighbor country, also small, so that will go fast, I think quite fast. So first country out. Driving through Lithuania and Poland, thank God my drive was without any accidents, calm and smooth. Here I am, after 24 hours, 1,900 kilometers, of course resting time during the night, I'm here in Netherlands. And my first thought was to go to the park and have some quiet sketching time. Amsterdam has different plans. Loud music, loud people, lots and lots of beer, big celebration of the King's Day. On the way to the hotel, I saw this beauty, wisteria. This is all a bit too much for me. And I need to prepare some materials for the workshop, color swatches. Okay, day 2 is much more quieter. My first visit is planned to art gallery Rijksmuseum, but lines are so huge and I don't have time for standing in these lines. Lots to do. Going further to the old city.
Enjoy, bye.
Bye. Now I need flowers for my workshop. Lots of flowers. Also some potted plants. It is time to create magic and make this place ready for my workshop tomorrow. For my live workshops, I want to create space where my students will feel special, surrounded with beauty, and have a wonderful experience while learning botanical painting. Every detail is important, from flowers, table setting, art materials, paintings on the wall, and music during workshop days. Well, and that's it. Everything is ready for Amsterdam 5-day workshop, which is so amazing. I'm so excited and truly waiting for tomorrow when students will arrive and we will start this magical journey of watercolor painting. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will show you more about this workshop, what we will be doing and where we will be going. Bye!